How you doing? It's Greg Martinez with MagnetLeadSystem.com, and you're here on this page because you're looking for a free lead capture system. And what I want to tell you, my friend, is you came to the right place. I want to be able to help you get a free lead capture system set up for you inside of Facebook. And you may not have been thinking about doing one on Facebook, but I can tell you right now, if you want one that's for free, no strings attached, you get one page that you can actually custom tailor to whatever audience that it is that you're trying to market to. You can do it inside of Facebook on your fan page. So, I'm sure there's a service out there that you can use for out of Facebook. But what I can tell you right now is that 9 times out of 10, most places are not mobile ready, unless you're going to pay for a page like that to be made, whether it's subscription based or it's a one-time fee. Either way, you're not going to find a free one that's mobile ready, mobile optimized, and that can be used with multiple features. So here's what I want to give to you. So inside of Facebook, if you're using a regular profile but you don't have a fan page just yet, I urge you to go create a fan page. And it's real simple to do. It's just like creating a regular Facebook profile. You got to add in a couple of more pieces of information, but it's attached to your regular profile, and you can build multiple ones. But I would say tailor it to whatever niche or whatever topic it is that you want to discuss. Based on your market, and then from there you can actually get the tool from the page on the description here at the bottom at the link. By clicking over there, you're going to go to a page that's going to take you over to show you the tool. It's called 22 Social, and they give you one page for free to basically have a trial version or a tested version, and you get to keep that page for free. You don't have to ever buy the service if you don't want to. I encourage you to do so because it's a great service, but until you're ready or until you're able to afford building more capture pages for the low price of $2 for the first month and then $22 after that. And if you refer 3, you get it for free, because it can stay for free if you want it to, and you can have all the pro versions that'll give you some training as well as multiple pages that you can create. But the very first one that you create, you can create it for free. And if you click on the link, it'll take you over to my fan page. It'll show you basically the layout that you can have to build a following on Facebook that's for business, for your business, for your homemade business, for your MLM, for your network marketing opportunity, whatever it is that you're selling, promoting, doesn't matter. It ties in well with just about anything. So you can see the page. You'll see that you have what we call a like gate, and so they have to like your page to be able to view whatever content that it is that they're trying to get to, and you promote that via Facebook and even outside of Facebook on your blog or whatever website that you have, or maybe from another social media site. You want to revert all traffic back to Facebook because that's where the majority of people spend their time already, right? So they're going to see that like gate, that like fan gate, and so they're going to have to click like, get in. And then once they get in after clicking like, now they become somebody who's liked your page on Facebook, and Facebook likes that. And then they'll be able to see whatever content you create on the page that you have. Now, what's cool about it is that you don't have to be a programmer, you don't have to be a coder, you don't have to have any tech skills. It's real user friendly. You click a couple of buttons, you change out some text, you can add images, you can add video, you can do a Google Hangout giving some awesome value to your marketplace. And then there's some social proof, there's some engagement that you can have with people from Facebook, and obviously there have to be real people to engage with you right on your page. And then from there they can actually click on a button that you create, that you have, that goes out to anywhere you want. So as soon as they click that button, you can have your autoresponder tied into it to where you're building your list all at the same time. This is mobile ready and can be viewed on people's Androids or iPhones, iPads, tablets, whatever it is that they have, whatever portable device, so they see your content on the go, whether it's live or recorded. And like I said, there's so much to this tool, but you get that one page to try it, and even just that one page alone can bring you many leads for your business. So it's a free way to capture leads. I highly encourage you that you check it out. Click the link in the description. It'll take you over to the page so that way you start seeing how it's laid out, and you can kind of model it if you'd like to. and then make it yours, and basically at the bottom of the content page after you click like, to get in to see what my content is, right? To see what this capture page is all about. When you get into the actual page, once you've already seen everything, you've seen the little short video that's on there, and you've seen some of the features, or you've watched the video, at the very bottom of the page, there's a link that you can click to get your free page. And if you don't click that link, then you may have to go and navigate to find it. So at the very bottom of the page, click the link to get your free 22 social page on your fan page. And with that, I hope you got some great value out of this video. I will see you on the next one, my friend. If you need any help with anything, if you have some questions, I'm on Facebook. You can find me at gregfanpage.com and just shoot me a message and I'll help you get started. So with that said, I'll see you on the net.